Hello, this is Fernando from Lodomus.com, and in this video, if you are a real estate agent, I'm going to show you how much money you can make, how many sales you can make from advertising on Facebook ads. This is the medium I recommend if you are starting out and you don't know much about ads, because Google ads can also give good results, but it is a bit more expensive and requires more testing. So let me show you. In here I have three different scenarios. It depends on the percentage you get from every sale. In here, for example, in this one you get 2,500, 5,000, and in this one 10k. Okay, I also played with the cost per lead. That means how much you pay for every contact. I'm going in the upper end, not the lower one. Most probably you will get cheaper leads, but I'm going to show you the worst case scenario to see how much is the potential, to be not too optimistic but a bit more pessimistic, just to be safe. The conversion rate in here also, I have a 1%, which normally could be 2 or 3%, but I'm going to be on the lower side. I put it at 1%. Let me show you. Let's say, for example, you generate 100 leads with Facebook. That means if every lead costs $5, you have to spend $500 to get one sale. The revenue per sale is 2,500. The revenue is 2,500, but you have spent 500 on ads. Then your profit and loss is 2K. Let's change this. Let's imagine we went to 500 leads. Okay, so now how much we have made with 500 leads? We have the possibility to make $10,000, 10k. This is in whatever period you spend that money, you can make as much as 10k. This is having a cost per lead of $5 and a conversion rate of 1. Let's suppose, and of course the revenue per sale is 2.5k. Let's suppose the conversion rate is at 2%. For every 100 contacts you get 2 sales. Let's imagine that. This is very attainable. So now the profit and loss, how much you make, is 22.5k. So you can see the numbers, how they play with each other. This is with a revenue per sale of just 2.5k. Let's keep it again to 1%. Okay, so now let's check another one. This one, for example. Now in here the revenue per sale is 5k, and the cost per lead has also increased. Okay, so let's put now 500 leads again. The potential, how much you can make, is 20k, $20,000. This is if you spend $5,000 on ads. Well, you don't have to spend them right away. You can, for example, spend a little bit of money, you make a sale, then you spend again, this is how you should do it. Then you make another sale, and you spend more, then you make another sale. This is an exponential growth. You can make that much money with a cost per lead of $10 and with a 5k percentage per sale. Now let's imagine in here that the cost per lead is also $10. Conversion rate, we keep it at 1, and now the revenue per sale, which in many states and for many houses, that is how much you get paid, 10k for example. Again we go with 500 leads, and the potential profit and loss is 45k. This is this can be obtained in a month, in 6 months. It depends on how long you take to generate these leads. And we are being pessimistic with a 2% conversion rate. That means for every 100 contact you get, only one of them buys. If there are 2 that buy, then you can make a lot more, 95k. But let's keep things simple and reasonable. Okay, so now with these numbers you can imagine how much you can make with Facebook ads. Let's suppose now in here 1000 leads. This is a profit and loss of 90k. Of course, you have to have good skills and you have to know how to sell a house in order to make this much money. The Facebook ads part is really the easiest part of all this system. Okay, so I hope this clarifies a bit how to do Facebook marketing for real estate agents. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.